In this video we see how to rename the MySQL table. So currently we see in a practice table number of tables show. So one table we get employee and we will rename this table by XML. So first of all create a change set and one tag has rename table. Yeah, we can see all table name and new table name as a attribute. So currently existing table name we define here, and in new table attribute we can add our new table name. Now we can restart the application, and now we can, after restarting application, we can see effect of the. So currently employee does not exist, it is a all table, and now see show tables. Yeah, table is successfully renamed. So that's it. Now we again rename. So create another change set and we all change with swap. Okay, and again restart the application. So application successfully start. So now we can see the effect. So again EMP change with employee table. So that's it.